Every time the tide goes out, Laguna Beach reveals one of the most diverse ecosystems on the California coast. But protecting it takes more than passion, it takes knowledge. And that's exactly where the Laguna Ocean Foundation comes in. By combining drone technology, field science, artificial intelligence, and the help of students and community volunteers, researchers are creating the most complete picture we've ever had of Laguna's protected coastline.
Currently, we do not have a large spatial data set of what our tide pools look like, and specifically what the tide pools in Laguna Beach look like. So we cannot protect what we don't have data on. Long term, what we are interested in is being able to inform monitoring programs and also coastal conservation, working with California Department of Fish and Wildlife and California State Parks.
These efforts are important for the monitoring and conservation of Laguna's coastline because it allows us to understand how things will change in a biological level. For example, in short term, we have the ENSO cycles coming in, so it allows us to understand how the coastline is either going to be affected and how can we help it thrive after these cycles.
The data collected today becomes the baseline that helps us understand tomorrow. Whether it's climate change, marine disease, invasive species, or changing ocean conditions, this program allows us to detect change before it's too late.
While we will still be using our biologists and traditional field methods on the ground, this monitoring, which will utilize aerial drones, is able to cover much larger areas than biologists are able to. And especially because we're in an environment where we rely on the tides, we often don't have a lot of time to collect this data. So drones can do what biologists or any field researchers can do in maybe 3 hours and cut that down to around 30 minutes.
If we don't collect this kind of data, the issues that will come up could be pretty catastrophic in the sense that we would be missing out on incredibly important information of a very unique ecosystem that we have right here in Laguna Beach. But also we would be making certain decisions out in the dark, and we need to have data and numbers to protect the coastline.
Because protecting our ocean doesn't happen by accident. It happens when a community comes together to understand it first. Every image captured, every survey completed, and every volunteer who gets involved helps build a clear picture of the ocean we're leaving for the next generation.